So we gotta walk through the stupid thing?
No, we're gonna drive right there and take it up.
There's no cable. Use the force, there is no cable.
No, let's come right down anyway.
Right? Wait, is that literally where we're going? Because that's like the trails over there.
So I almost didn't see those guys cover my eyes on that.
Yeah, it's like right off the front of the gray truck over there. I see the trail. That's going to be more like what the girls are going to be riding.
I'm hearing a lot of like crackety sounds coming from over here, and I don't know what it is. Of course, now it's...
I hear some stuff here.
Oh, maybe that's what... I haven't looked at this stem since I've got the bike. I haven't looked at the stem since I got the bike. That started happening a lot when my star nut started. Yeah, the stem line is coming from on the side, but I think it's actually...
You got any play in it? Hold your front brake and wrap your finger around the right underneath the handlebar.
Like this. Just a tiny bit. Tiny bit. I think I have something too. Alright,
Can we get through over there? Oh, damn. Oh, God. Either way, pick a direction. You dropped your phone, Kyle. That's why mine's in my bag. Ah! Almost went into the fence. Bunny hop it, go. Right? Fuck it, we should clean it up. Be the right kind of fucking people out here.
I was thinking you stepped out.
It's light.
There, we did it. We did the service speed.
Watch out. No, what we should have done, we should have left it and made the girls do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
They're going like, it's so big, it's so heavy. Right? She loves wood way too much. That's all on camera, by the way.
You know it's true. I figured out what my clicky clack sound is.
Huh?
The tether for this.
Oh, okay. So I got a question, Kyle. If the reason why you slammed on the brakes is because he stepped out in front of you, were you just gonna plow right through it?
I was on the rear brake coming up. I was gonna slide around. And then he stepped out and I had to grab the front brake.
Onwards we row. Hey, I think we found some legit single track. Bike's up. Ride her up. Come on through, guys.
Thank you.
Yep.
Very nice.
Oh, damn. Ow. Yeah, it's just really tight in there.
Yeah.
I got my half mast on my seat post. This feels weird. You know, the stupid part is the girls wouldn't even have to duck. T. Hold on. So, no girls back there.
Totally bring the girls through there.
Yeah, but I don't want to be pulling a stick out of fucking Kim's face.
She'll have to wear her full face.
Damn it, we're only half.
Stick out of my helmet.
I got bonked by a tree. It's kind of hot in there like that.
Not as good breeze.
Oh, that, and I'm going like 3 miles an hour to 5. Trying not to fall my ass over.
That's fun though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked it.
How come they don't hold races back here? Like, this is perfect. Even though, like, this is a pretty long straightaway, this is passing opportunity. Fucking full bore, fucking crank it out. Okay. Wait, why the hell do we have Kyle in front? He never knows where to go. We're gonna end up in the fucking river. Right? Oh boy. Oh, easy. Slow your roll a little bit, Kyle. Hey Kyle, how much did you need? You said you needed 1.4, right?
Yeah, I think it was.
And we're at 0.75 on mine. So, I know. We got to do this again tomorrow.
Exactly.
Hell, we're going to be at Bridge in no time. Actually, no, that's a ways up there.
Yeah, that's
Go by fast, so
Fuck yeah, see, this is why I want Jenny to do this instead of riding that loop. Because she does one lap on the loop and she's, oh my God, I'm tired, or, you know, seat's fucking with her, whatever. If you ride stuff like this, you just go. And you don't realize, we almost went a mile already. I gotta do the battery in my remote. It's blinking red at me. Which probably means I need to do that battery too.
I can't tell where we are.
Yeah, it doesn't show up on there because we haven't loaded the trails yet.
Yeah.
So, you want to keep going or you want to check it on your phone? Fuck you and your 10-mile goal, asshole. And you think you can't do any races?
I'm going very slow compared to race pace.
You have no idea how many times I've seen people go this slow. Race pace. Oh, that dumb shit. But you're also competitive as fuck. You'll get on it. You on trail forks?
No.
These trails are on trail forks.
I don't know what 500 is. Once again, like you said earlier, it doesn't show the damn name of the road.
Right?
Let's see, that's Maverick, so that would be
That should be
Rio Bravo. Yeah, and that's Wagner, so that'd be Rio Bravo.
behind us.
It says we're headed that direction, but yeah. So that's 5 points up there.
You're dripping all kinds of sweat all over your phone.
Yeah, that's making me think. Let's go a little bit farther anyway. If you don't mind. I need the training.
Yeah? Huh?
Yeah.
It'll be interesting with the girls out here.
Yeah.
We definitely need to stay on this main trail though. Oh yeah, that feels good. What's wrong? Huh? Oh, sweat in your eye.
Yeah.
Like, fuck it, we could hit a mile. Huh? Isn't that what we rode through already? Ooh, that's a little trippy. I got 1 mile. Yeah, going back to the vehicle. I'm just like, there's too much sun over here. Is he still with us? Oh man. Most of these little offshoots are just out to the river.
Yeah, river.
What does yours say?
.548 overall.
Well, I was just saying on this run, I'm a mile,
Yeah.
0.07.
Yeah, mile 4, I think, something like that.
Which are achievable.
We have to stop it and end it first, but we won't do that till we get back.
Pulling up trail forks just to see if it shows anything interesting.
It should be just like this. Oh yeah, these stupid fucking flood beam bullshits, they drive Jenny nuts. She is terrified of those fucking things.
Oh.
I think those that tree squeeze back there will scare her more.
So the only thing listed here is Bosque Trail, which we're actually not on.
That's just the big main one that goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
There's a dotted line that goes next to it. So
that's it.
let's go to where this trail connects back to the main Bosque Trail, and we'll take main Bosque Trail back.
Main Bosque Trail is up there on the fucking ditch bank.
It's not that far from here.
Yeah.
It's a single track. And we don't know what that side of the single track looks like.
Or we could go
Oh my God.
a little bit farther than that and take.
Mine showed 2 tracks over here.
We could go over the bridge and come back down the west trail.
Does it go all the way?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
I never rode on the west side before.
It comes right up along the water.
How far away from bridge?
Basically halfway.
I'm gonna have to pull my fucking snacks out. Fuck.
I got a
That's
couple
part
of
of,
extra
snacking is part of training too.
Because I know that chicken sandwich ain't gonna cover this.
I barfed all mine out.
Yeah, I know. I got like a pistachio something bar. Do you want it? I can't eat it. I don't know what it is with that fucking cadence. I don't know where I got it. But like my legs just naturally go to that cadence. And they can stay there. I just have to adjust gears when I start getting tired. It's probably the same cadence I used to walk through the yard.
Look off.
You know, for 3 years. Oh, there we go. You can't do it from a dead stop, bro.
Hey, I got the tire on.
Yeah, that's good, but the log moves too much.
I'm surprised I was able to get tire on while I was sitting.
Go that one.
You know what's stupid? They've got the decent single track out here, but they could add to it.
Yeah.
They can make actual like little
feature things.
feature trails, like just pop off for a second, come back on.
They don't want to spend money for outdoor things because everybody just wants to go get drunk and get high, and that's what they want to spend all their money on.
I still think the stupidest thing ever. Why is it that the mountain bike scene in New Mexico is like a secret?
Yeah. Ready?
Holy shit, I'm getting text messages. Yeah. I'm with you. Yeah.
Might be because with the levee right here.
Yeah.
Or might just be right there.
Yeah, this is it. Huh. So the main trail's not the ditch bank.
No.
So, up to you. We can go back on this one or the way we came.
Oh. I already see a bunch of low level shit there. Yeah, we can go back that way. I know you want to go hit that hump.
Again, I didn't see it till it was too late.
Oh yeah.
Coming the one way.
You're running a high speed for a blind run. And it's like, at some point, he could come around the corner and be like, oh fuck.
I don't know why I felt like jumping off the little
Sand pile.
that too, and the X thing at the beginning.
So 1.3, so 2.6 when we get back?
Not very long, but it's something.
It'll be farther than Jenny's ever gone, really.
Yeah.
That'll be a record for her, 100%. Especially with, other trail options too.
Yep. Just gotta keep her going. Ready? Stuck until last year.
Yeah, I know. I was running about 10 to 12, but I'm definitely feeling some crampage. At least the girls won't have to worry about that with their narrow ass bars. Huh? I don't see if it is, but you might. I was gonna say maybe your cable tension might be slightly out of tune. The sun on the glasses don't help. I bet he ran race pace going back.
Oh, yeah, he did. I kept up with him for a while, but he was rolling. You hit the wrong pace.
We,
You hit the right turn to go.
it's okay, we're good. This goes right around. We just can't let the girls get stuck on this this part here, because this is just a loop. Yeah, he's already at the truck. Fucker. So, how hard did you push?
Moderately.
I was killing myself to keep this good.
It was 6.97 on this trip.
Jesus.
Yeah, let me borrow a bike real quick. I need to get that extra 0.3.
Just do that loop right there. The gravel path that doesn't go on single track, it's a loop.
Killed it, 5 miles or more today.
See, out here it's not nearly as bad. That's why I wanted the climb part of it. Like, I can do this.
But you gotta work yourself here to build up your endurance to hit the climbs. Like what you did today is a lot more beneficial than it going to and climbing half a mile. And the more miles here is going to translate better into more climbing. And you're keeping a real good pace for that.